I'm getting an early start to my holiday meal prep and I'm jazzing things up a bit. First on my list is a scrumptious oven-baked ham with a bourbon and cola glaze. That's simple, but the flavor is incredible. And with that being said, shall I proceed? Yes, indeed. You need a spiral sliced bone-in half ham, 3 cans of cola, large orange, sprigs of fresh thyme, orange marmalade, light brown sugar, bourbon, dry mustard, dried thyme, ground cloves. The first step is to preheat the oven to 325 and place the ham cut side down on the rack of a roasting pan. Flavor is everything, and I'm starting it off by pouring 2 cans of cola, squeeze juices from the oranges, and the sprigs of thyme. What the heck, go ahead and throw in those orange halves too. This needs to be in the oven for 1 hour or until the internal temperature reaches 90 degrees. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and make the glaze. In my sauce pot, I've added the remaining can of cola, and I'll simmer it on medium-low heat for about 30 minutes or until it's reduced by half. Once it's done, add in the marmalade, brown sugar, bourbon, dry mustard, the thyme, and the ground cloves. Simmer for 3 minutes and remove from heat. Not quite done yet, but it's been about an hour, so I've taken them out and now I'm going to score the outside, making parallel incisions in an across pattern. Just add in some detail, that's all, and it will help the glaze distribute inside as well. Take the sweet bourbon glaze and brush all over the ham and then back into the oven for 45 minutes. Now I want this ham to get caramelized and brown, so every 15 minutes I'm going to glaze. It's a must. Time's up. Before serving, I'm going to cover it loosely with some foil and let it sit for 15 minutes just so the juices can absorb back into the meat and can cool slightly. Might I add, while the bourbon adds a smooth, smoky flavor, the alcohol cooks out. But if you want to omit the bourbon altogether, you can swap it out with juices such as apple, pineapple, or orange, and it will be just as delicious. I hope I made you proud today with this beautiful scrumptious ham recipe. Enjoy, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.